Hi everyone and welcome. I'm at my father's farm today. I've always loved this place. It's so beautiful. It's time to go home. Today I'm going to draw a beautiful stork. Stay with me until the end of the video so we can experience this drawing challenge together. I first start with mechanical pencil and try to draw the base form and shape. I think the initial line should be drawn lightly because they will be erased later. Now that I have the initial shape, I'm using a wave pencil to draw the white areas of the stork's body. In this design I used craft paper. I love its color and white pencil works well on it. I used the charcoal pencil to draw the black feathers. For me, charcoal works better than graphite. Now that the base sketching is complete, I'm using gouache for coloring. I truly love painting storks. They look so elegant and proud, and I know they carry different meaning across a culture. In our Kurdish culture, the stork is symbol of good fortune and mercy. We believe that when a stork building its nest on someone's rooftop is bringing blessing to that home. When I started painting the black feathers, I used blending tool to lift and smooth the charcoal. There's something I like to say. When you're painting, don't try to copy the reference exactly. What truly matters is how you use your material and create your own technique, something that makes the process joyful for you. If you like the painting and this video, please subscribe to me and leave me a comment.